Welcome to Crash Cases, where split-second choices reshape entire lives. Here, ordinary roads become stages for the unexpected, and each frame carries its own quiet warning. Settle and steady your breath, and let the stories behind the collisions unfold with stark clarity. A viral video shows a cement truck colliding with a small truck in China, creating a severe scene. Sudden hazards appear fast, slow down, and keep a safe distance. A rare incident on a mountain road occurred when a 7-seat SUV stopped abruptly after encountering a pile of rocks and soil. Mountain routes demand caution, slow down, and stay alert. Strong winds blew a truck's container off course, striking a police car before falling from a bridge in Mount Pleasant. Extreme weather hits fast, slow down, and stay alert. Running the red light led to a sudden crash, a harsh reminder that rushing intersections risks lives. Respect the signal, patience is always the safer choice. A sudden hard brake caused a large steel coil to roll forward, crushing the trailer's front before falling onto the road. Heavy cargo needs strict securing, stay alert, and keep distance. A video shows a truck striking an overpass on the highway, startling drivers behind it. Overheight risks are serious. Know your vehicle's limits and stay alert. Ignoring the stop sign, the Renault driver created a dangerous situation at the intersection. Traffic signs exist for safety, slow down, and respect every signal.
Yeah, I'm gonna be able to say this.
In Norwalk, a car carrier was involved in a sudden crash, leaving the scene chaotic but under control. Heavy loads require steady focus, slow down, and stay alert. Two trucks collided head-on after swerving to avoid a motorcycle, creating a severe scene. Shared roads demand discipline, slow down, and give each other space. An explosion in Wilmington injured 9 firefighters with 2 in critical condition. Emergencies escalate fast, stay clear of danger zones, and follow safety alerts. Recorded in Taiwan during a storm, the dashcam shows a mountainside road where the lead car barely avoided a truck-sized boulder. In bad weather, slow down and stay alert.
Here's the top.
Staying calm, the driver managed to avoid a sudden car crash just in time. Every impact you've seen here carries a quiet reminder the road never forgives distraction. Let these moments from crash cases settle into your instincts, sharpening how you drive and how you think. Stay aware, stay patient, and honor the space around you. Carry these lessons forward each time you take the wheel. If this opened your eyes, like, share, and subscribe.